A common, highly infectious illness among writers is called the run-ons. Run-on sentences, that is. The run-ons are the literary equivalent of having eaten 2 packages of unrefrigerated gas station sushi, followed by 3 cups of coffee and a bran muffin. In other words, run-on sentences make a hot mess of your writing. Unlike the inevitable aftermath of the sushi, the run-ons might not be so urgent and painfully obvious, but they are most certainly there, making a stink of your story. Quick example. I love writing stories. My characters are amazing. The plot is fantastic. Readers will love it. Whoa, deep breath. Where's the fire? Notice how the words just exploded and spilled out? It was exhausting to read, wasn't it? That's because it's actually 4 separate thoughts smashed together without proper punctuation, without time to rest, absorb, and to see and feel the words. Let's fix it. I love writing stories, period. My characters are amazing, period. The plot is fantastic, period. Readers will love it, full stop. There, so much better, isn't it? Quick test to see if you have a case of the run-ons. Read aloud, don't be shy. Remember, run-ons are highly contagious, and you don't want to make your readers suffer, do you? While reading, if you notice you need to take a breath or you pause naturally, you probably need punctuation there. Even better, grab your phone and record yourself reading and listen back, and put some feeling into it. Don't like the sound of your voice? Too bad. Get over yourself. You have serious writing to do. Key takeaways. 1. Actually read your work, especially out loud, to see where pause or emphasis are needed. 2. When in doubt, break your sentences up into shorter, punchier sections. This allows readers to absorb the words, think, and catch their breath. 3. Don't eat gas station sushi. Want to see more writing tips like this? Like and subscribe to level up your writing game.